Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Mitsu Arroyo. If you are a doll that loves fashion and beauty content, make sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications because I post every Wednesday, and don't forget to hit that like button on today's video. In today's video, I have summer shoes that I want to share with you dolls. So if you're interested to see what's in these boxes, keep on watching. Dolls, the reality is that it's still summer, and so I have some summer shoes that I want to share with you dolls. And with that said, I want to thank Newbella for sending me these shoes. And if you haven't heard of Newbella, Newbella is a footwear corporation that offer a wide range of trendy designs, not only for women but for men and children too. They have stylish boots, comfortable sandals, and trendy sneakers. Name it, they have it all, dolls. With their commitment to affordable and fair pricing, Newbella ensures that all their products are accessible to everyone. I can't wait to reveal with you dolls what shoes are in these boxes. And of course, I have a discount code for you. It is Eyelash Dolls that will get you 18% off their website. So let's get into this unboxing. Dolls, I already looked at 3 of them. Now, I was able to choose the shoes that I wanted, and I have a package here that's unopened. So the first ones I want to share with you are these double buckle strap flat sandals. They have 9 color options, and I got the black with the gold. These are round toe with the vintage look. They have a rubber sole, and these dolls are great for an everyday sandal. They are very lightweight. Don't they remind you of a high-end brand? The buckles are adjustable, so I think they would be good for wide feet. And all my shoes in today's haul are size 8, and so far the ones that I have tried have been true to size. Although mine are true to size, they do have some tips on the website. You always choose your size based on your feet length, and they do have a size chart that's going to help you figuring out what that is. If you do have thick or wide feet, they do recommend that you choose one size bigger. So far, I love how the black, it does not look faded, and like I said, there is 9 color options, and these are great for the everyday, for being at home, for going out. This is a very casual sandal. And by the way, dolls, they do have a summer sale going on, so the more you buy, the more discounts you get. As always, don't forget that I do link everything down below. I'll go ahead and put my discount code down below, so don't forget to check out the description box. Okay, let's continue on to the next box. And oh yes, this is probably one of my top faves, but because it's so different to what I have in my closet, and just look at how stunning these platform heels are. It is a super high heel, and the heel height is 10.5 centimeters. This does come in not only this pink option, but also in black. Although it's pink, I feel like it's a pretty neon pink. And pink is trending right now because of the Barbie movie. The waterproof heel in the front is about 3 centimeters in height. What is unique about this is the way that it ties. So it's not like your normal like buckle. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it just has this pretty cool detail. My husband helped me figure this out because I could not, but like, so like here's the buckle here, and then here's, you see that opening? So you just like put it in, and then you strap it in. I don't know, it's so hard to explain, but I thought that was very unique about the shoe. By the way, these are comfortable. They don't feel heavy. They are, I don't want to say like super lightweight, but you would think that they were heavy heels, and they're not. So I really like how thick the heel is as well, because I think that's what really brings comfort. The way I styled it is just with a whole denim outfit, so that this heel would give my outfit a pop of color. So our square toe. And if you do not like it in pink, they do have it in black. Here's the next shoe. Okay, so these shoes are not for everyone, and these are loafers. They are chain loafers. They have this pretty chain detail in the front. It's gold, but it also has a little bit of silver on it. These are very comfortable as well. Although they are a platform, they are super, super lightweight. I'm telling you, like, if you wear these to work or if you wear them on the daily, like, they are very comfortable. These loafers come in 2 color options, which I think is the black and then like a cream or a white. They do have a rubber sole. It has a round toe, and these do give a very minimalistic look. I like how they're just not like a plain loafer. Like, the chain really dresses up the shoe. And so I dressed this up with some socks, and originally these were for my daughter. They don't fit her because obviously I got them in size 8, but she will grow into them. She is into like that Y2K style, and this is what she likes. I wore them with some Hanes pair of socks, but she said that they would look really good with some leg warmers. Like I mentioned at the beginning, these are not for everyone, and I don't really like the way I look with socks. I did style them with some tights, and I think I like that look better. I've seen these with slip-on dresses, with skirts, with shorts. You just have to find a way that just works for you and makes you feel comfortable. Let me know down below how you would style the loafers and if you're into loafers. By the way, loafers are going to be trending in the fall, so if you don't have loafers, make sure to check these out. Okay, so these shoes, I haven't unboxed them yet, which I haven't seen them, so I'm very excited. So you're gonna see my first impressions. Drum roll! Like I said, I got to choose them, but I haven't seen them in person. Okay, so I know what these are. These are some retro style square toe sandals. There is 3 color options, and these are beautiful. Has little raffia detail on there. I really like. These do have a rubber sole, and just first impressions, they are beautiful. Square toe, really pretty. Raffia doesn't seem like it's peeling or anything, and they also have them like in this cognac color that was really pretty. I wear black a lot, so I decided to choose these. Style these with shorts, style them with dresses. Labor Day weekend is still to come, so if you're looking for some pretty black sandals, these are really, really nice. I have a bag that matches, and oh, that's another reason why I got these shoes, is because I have a Walmart bag and I think they're gonna match perfect. So the only thing I have to say about these shoes is like this right here goes a little bit higher, and it makes my toe feel just not uncomfortable, but just a little weird. Just a little reminder, dolls, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you like hauls, if you like Walmart walkthroughs, if you like unboxing, this is the channel for you. Oh yes, I thought these were gonna be perfect for date night. Okay, these are some floral high heels. Look at how stunning. Anything with a flower has been trending in the summer. I feel like the heel's not too high, so that's why I was like, okay, I can do this. I just love the flower detail on them. Wow, these are beautiful. These are elegant, they're chic. They have 3 color options, the black, apricot, and pink. The heel size is a 9.5 centimeter, and it does have a round toe. Let's see if these are true to size. True to size. I already know how I would dress this. I would dress this with like a black slip-on dress and then like my moto jacket or a faux leather jacket. So I love that even though it's like all black, the flower still adds like a bold statement. I'm just amazed how all of them fit perfect. Some sandals, I got some heels, but of course I had to get some sneakers. I'm a mom. I run errands. I'm always on the go. And so I got these platform casual sneakers that kind of, when I was looking at them on the website, they kind of reminded me of the like Adidas Zamba. Not quite, but I think because of the stripes. But platform sneakers are just trending like crazy. And for all my short dolls out there like myself, I just been obsessed with platform shoes. I have the neutral, the black and white, a little bit like a neutral gray in the front. They're not like all white. It does have a saying, it says soften your life. It has this silver metal detail here in the front. Lightweight. Have you noticed that sometimes when sneakers have platforms, it can make the shoes heavy, but these feel really lightweight, and I think these shoes would also go with this dress that I'm wearing. It also has that soften your life in the back, and then also here it says soft. Let's see if these will really soften my life once I put them on. Okay, I'm not wearing any socks, so these fit great. These do come in 2 color options, which are these, and then another pair that comes with a pop of red. So if you want a pop of color, definitely check those out. These are currently on sale, and again, you can use my discount code EYELASHDOLLS. They do feel soft. I'm sorry, I do not have anything negative to say about these shoes. So far, everything has been true to size. As far as quality, they've been great. Comment down below which shoes have been your favorite. And thank you so much to Newbella for sending me these shoes to review. For pricing and for more size information, make sure to check them out on their website. And don't forget to use my discount code EYELASHDOLLS. Unfortunately, dolls, we've come to the end of the video, but if you stayed this far into the video, don't forget to comment this emoji. Don't forget to turn on your post notification, dolls. I post every Wednesday. And last but not least, dolls, subscribe to my channel, and God willing, we will talk to you on the next one. Bye.